Hello everybody and welcome back to part 4, I think we're part 4 of Crafting with Cats, the Christmas edition, where we are making the Santa Paws Christmas sled for your kitty cats. And so far we've made the sled, we've put a little seat in so they've got a little bit higher visibility at the back. We just added a little parcel present box here. And we were just figuring, well I was just figuring, you weren't figuring out anything because you don't know what I'm doing. I was just figuring out what to do with the front of the sleigh, and we had the bit of the front left over from when we cut these sides out, and I was just kind of playing with it and trying to put a bit of a curve into it really, because I did think it might look okay if we just, or if I just do like that, like a little scroll at the front. So I think that's the kind of vibe that we can do. So if you just bear with me while I just kind of bend that little bit up a little more. It's quite stiff, this cardboard. You know, it's a good box. So I think that will be fine. And I think if we kind of put it there, and then, so we'll get the glue gun again. Good old glue gun. I need shares in the glue gun company. So I hope you've all been having an excellent day, or as Basil and the B team would say, an epically epic day. And everything's been fantastically peachy and wonderful. I've been to work today. It's Friday. I thought it was the 18th of November, but I think it's the 19th. I sometimes get my days wrong. That's another age related thing. I don't know what day it is half the time. I don't know where I am half the time, and there's sometimes I don't even know who I am. But that's another story. So we're Friday tea time. And I'm trying to make this early so we can post it, so you guys, if you want to make one of these, have plenty of time before Christmas. So we'll just fix the nose on a little bit more there, and let's just hold that. I think it's pretty straight, but I don't think the cardboard's quite bent properly. So we will have to make a minor adjustment, but that's how we're looking. So I can see you through there. It's this bit, it didn't bend quite right, but I think if I push that bit there. And then we need to find some little half moon shapes for the front. So let's just show you how I'm going to do this. So take one piece of cardboard, a little bit of the leftover, place it underneath where the nose is, so it's here, and just draw around it. And then we will have a little curved shape that will hopefully fit, and if we don't, then we'll draw another one. So it's kind of that size, that shape, that size. So let's just ping that out of the cardboard there, and see if it fits, and then we can use that. Oh, butterfingers. We can. Okay, so we're going to have to cut that bit off, I think. We're going to have to cut a bit out there. So we'll cut a little wedge out. I don't know if you can see that there. Because it didn't just kind of want to go in there, but yep, that fits. That fits perfectly. So we'll just cut another one to the other side. Let me just check that that kind of fits there. It's a little bit smaller, but we'll cut out one similar size and then we can just trim it down to fit that side. So we know that one fits in there. You see, I've gone and moved it now. I don't know what I'm doing. See, this is what happens. This is just what happens. That one fits straight in there. Okie dokie. Let's just trim that a little bit more. Okay, so we have both of those ready now. So we'll just glue those in. And then we can think about what are we going to decorate it with, because I think I put the glue on the wrong side. No, that was a bit of a fluke. I was just gluing it there, and for one brief second I thought I'd got the glue on the wrong side. That has happened before. Have to just grab another glue stick, so do bear with me, because otherwise we'll be running out when we're just going to do the other side. Okay, so that's on. So that looks pretty nifty. I know that you see the joints and everything when it's spray painted, but you know, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not about perfect. And there we go. So all in all, I think we've got a pretty cool Santa sled. What do you say? Not bad for, I think, maybe an hour, and we don't know what we're doing and how we're building it, so it should take you a lot less time than it's taken me, because as I said, I make it up as I go along. I kind of wing it and I never know what I'm doing. So now you've seen what I've done, you will be able to do better, faster, and yeah, I think we'll leave it there, and we'll see you guys in video number 5. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you shortly.